In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit in DoPrime from local bank. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to go in the Funds tab on the left-hand side, and you want to click on Deposit Funds. Here on this tab, you want to select the wallet you want to deposit on. So I'm going to select my USD wallet. And then here you have two options, which are wire transfers. Okay. So of course, if you want to use a bank to do a wire transfer to deposit, you can just use any of these two. I'm going to use the SEPA wire transfer. And here I'm going to do currency, USD, press continue. And on the next page here, you want to select how much you want to deposit. I'm going to do 100 USD, press continue again. And then on here, this is going to be your confirmation page where you will get the bank details where you have to deposit onto. And whenever you do that, you'll also have to upload a copy of your wire transfer confirmation receipt. And when you do it, press continue and you'll be good to go. And eventually your funds will be deposited on your account. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.